Ikirekirie gutemanio bunge-ini ni ma MCA county ino ona thengia uregani kuma kuri aromereri a gavana uyu na aria magereire kana mageririe kugathika mihinga bunge-ini ya county ino itemi-ini ria gutigirira kana gukorwo makigeria gukorwo makirugamia Ndereti ino ya Kuhagurwo gwake. Ndereti ino gavana Amos Nyaribo niekuirwo uhuthiri muru wa wabici orondomwe na kana orondomwe na maundu mangĩ matiganĩte ta ũrĩa mwandĩki witũ ti Kariuki wa Ndereti akituharĩrĩirie.
I, Ndereti Nyamira, duly elected member of the County Assembly of Nyamira, representing SC's ward, propose to move a motion for the removal of the governor, His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, from office of the county governor, Nyamira County, in the County Assembly of Nyamira. The county government of Nyamira. A motion given the grounds and the particulars is hereby attached. Honorable Speaker, I now wish to give a notice of motion to consider, debate and approve a motion for removal of the governor, His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, from office of county governor, Nyamira County.
We've done our mandate according to Article 181 of the Kenyan Constitution 2010, which sets out the grounds for removal of a governor from office, which includes violation of the Constitution, abuse of office, or misconduct. So we've put all the grounds there for the whole world to see. We've laid our evidence, documentary evidence. We have witnesses who will help us build our case.
Ngatho ni riboti twarikorwo tukiharĩrio mwandĩki Kariuki wa Ndereti na riboti ĩyo nĩ ĩragĩtũhe kamweke